Hello, beautiful people. We are live in the heart of the Man division here in Mamfe. And guess why we're here? For the Scary Project. What an experience it has been going around three rural communities teaching technologies to women in the rural community. It has been amazing, amazing, amazing. And right now we are in our fourth location to give you another beautiful ride. My name is Precious Nathan and I'm here to give you an experience of what the STEMish project has been in Mamfe. Let's do this!
I'm happy to be one of the beneficiaries of STEM-Rich program. STEM-Rich program offers a free training program to empower women. They offer programs like Microsoft Word. We started with Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. And through the program, it wasn't easy, but we have tried our best.
Before I came here, I've been somewhere learning computer, but while there I did not know anything. I did not even know how to create the folder. My madam did not teach me all of that. So for the time that I've been here, I'm happy that I can open a folder, I can type, I can do so many things. I'm happy to be here with Data Girls Technology. My experience here was so good. I'm happy that I was here, and while here I've learned a lot of things. All the things that I've been learning in this program, I'm happy that yes, anywhere that I'll go, I'll be able to do it. As first, when we started, I was not used to because I did not really know anything about computer, but I was having the interest. I did not know anything. When I came, I was facing a little bit of difficulty. I was always behind. The people are ahead because it's my first time to do anything that I've done here. It's my first time. So I'm really happy that I'm here.
I came to this Data Girl program to study computer, and this has really impacted my life because I learned many new things. Yes, because I was not able to do some simple things like watermark, even create files was a problem to me. But now this thing made everything easier. And by the way, it has already made me 100% guaranteed for having my computer practical shop. So I'm really, really grateful for this program. I've really learned a lot.
This Data Girl project have really taught me a lot because when I came here, I never knew many things, but just immediately I came here, I've learned a lot. So I'm very happy right now, and I'm now prepared to write my exams. So I'm very happy. Just pray God bless and go who really organize this project. Thank you.
In school, we went to the computer lab just once, and it was really new to us. It was strange. Even to create a file, I did not know, but now I'm sure I can do that very well.
Thank you, Data Girl, and thank you, STEM-Rich program, for bringing this program to Mamfe. I'm very happy to be one of the people that has attended these 2 months classes. Thank you very much.
Currently, we are producing the last set of 50 women that we have trained in the Mamfe community. So I'm very excited and congratulations on Star of the Girls with this for the work that has gone on in Mamfe. It has been not just challenging, it has given us a test of the time. But I'm glad that today we are here graduating these students, which we are taking them through Microsoft, Excel, PowerPoint, for their how to use emails, and give them some career development advice and things like that. So today is like a testament of what has been going on the Mamfe, the product of the outcome of the project that we've been able to carry on. And yeah, I'm so excited, and I look forward to what these ladies will become in the future and how they use the skills that I've got them.